Okay, so guys, we're going to talk about area of a triangle today. And most of you guys are probably like, I know how to find area of a triangle. What's the formula for area of a triangle?
Base times height times 1/2.
Okay, yep. 1/2 base times the height. And that's all well and good if you happen to know the base and the height. Okay, but a lot of times what happens is you do know the base, but you don't know the height, right?
It's always a pain.
Yeah, it's always a pain in the butt.
No, what is it? You can do it with geometry.
Okay. Well, you can, but it's
You know what I'm
also,
talking about?
you did use something to do with,
angle bisector, right? What's it called when the
possibly, but then you also have to know the other
side.
side. Okay?
Whatever.
In order to do that.
Whatever, I don't know.
You're correct. So, take a look at this. If I draw a triangle that looks like this, say I happen to know this side here, side A. Okay, could I find the height?
Yeah.
What would I have to use? What is it? I heard
You have
this.
gamma.
Okay, if you know this,
Wall sign.
not even law of signs, just plain
Pythagorean theorem.
sine, right? Because sine is what? Opposite over hypotenuse, right? So if I'm looking at this little triangle over here, I'm trying to find my opposite side, I would know my hypotenuse in this angle. Okay, so I could figure out, I could say, oh,
Wait, so
sine,
you do know good gamma.
yeah, if I knew gamma and I knew A, I could say sine of gamma would be my opposite, my BH over my hypotenuse, in this case A.
I thought you
So
did
what
know
I could
gamma.
do is I can actually solve for H in this problem. All right, do it by cross multiplying. This means H would be A times sine gamma. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to replace H in my normal, equation for area of a triangle that we learned back in, what, 5th grade, something like that. Okay, I'm going to take this H and replace it with this. So it's going to look something like this. Area of a triangle is 1/2 the base, but instead of H, I'm going to put in A sine gamma. Now, of course, we don't like to write B times A because we do everything in alphabetical order in math. So we're just going to say, all right, we're just going to rewrite this in normal order. So 1/2 AB sine gamma. So this is actually our new formula for area of a triangle. Okay. Something we can use if we happen to know this side, two sides, and the included angle. Okay, so if you notice, it's one side here, this side here, and the angle in between them. Okay, so it's two sides and the included angle. And you can actually come up with two other formulas, all right, based on this. Notice you're looking at, gamma usually goes with side C, right? So you're dealing with all three of the sides somehow in here, A, B, and then sine of gamma. So we could also write area of a triangle is 1/2 A times C sine of, what do you think? If I have A and C, sine of which angle? Beta. Or area of a triangle is 1/2 B times C sine of alpha. Okay. So any one of these three, it follows the same format. We can say this as a theorem. All right, the area A of a triangle equals 1/2 the product of two of its sides and the sine of the included angle.
Wait.
Okay, so that's really what this formula is saying. It's 1/2 the product of two of its sides and the included angle. So when I have side A here and side B here, Okay, this is gonna be the included angle that's in between them. It's the angle made up by the two sides when you put them together.